If you want to learn how to make smooth transition between slides in Canva, you are in the right place. Today, I am walking you through an easy Canva transition animation tutorial that even beginners can follow. We will create simple but eye-catching transition that are perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube videos, or business presentation. I will start with a simple design. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Open canva.com. Create a new video design with dimension as Facebook video size. Just search for the element fruit juice tin. Drag the tin graphics to the page canvas. Set the background color. Add more pages. Add more graphics of orange tin. Add another page. We are adding here more elements to make the page more attractive. And set all the elements to give a better look. Fill all the 3 pages with their different elements. Set the background color of the last page. Add different fruit graphics which you like. Set them on the back side of the tin. Once they are set in the background, make them little transparent. Now set the second page, add some graphics, set them and adjust them to make page more attractive. In the last, set the first page in the same way as we set the second page and the third page. Now add some text on all the 3 pages. Choose the font and the color which you like the most. Now simply set the page timing as 2.5 seconds and add the transition on all the 3 pages by simply clicking on the plus sign. I am selecting the flow transition and apply them on all the 3 pages. Or just simply download your video as MP4.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more videos.